Hello everyone, and welcome to Lesson 29, Gerunds. So what is a gerund? Well, a gerund, this is a grammar word. So even if you talk to someone from the USA, or you talk to someone who is British, and you say gerund, maybe they don't know gerund, because it's a grammar word. So the grammar teacher will know this word. But for you, as the student, it's important for you to also know this word, the word gerund. So gerunds, very simply, are when we use verb plus ing to use a verb like a noun. Okay? We can take a verb and change it so that we can use it like a noun. It's pretty cool. So we can use this new gerund, the verb ing, as a subject. We can also use it after a preposition, and we can use it after certain verbs. So I'd like to show you the different styles, the different ways that we can use these gerunds in English. So here's our subject. The subject is the beginning of the sentence. In English, we have subject, then verb, and then object. So if I say, swimming is fun. Swimming is fun. I'm using swim. This is an action. I use swim as the subject. If I want to use the verb swim as the subject, I cannot say swim. Swim is fun. I cannot. I have to change the verb into a gerund. So I change swim, swimming. Swimming is fun. That's our basic pattern. You can use this for other verbs. Playing baseball is fun. Cooking Japanese food is fun. Studying English is fun. We change the verb to ing as the subject of a sentence. Okay, maybe for you, studying. We can make studying a subject of the sentence. Studying is boring. Really? Is studying boring? Studying is boring. Oh, we can also use it, of course, after a preposition. So not only as the subject, we can also use this grammar after a preposition. Prepositions are words like at, on, in, words like that. So my example, I'm using at. I can say, I'm good at, right? Good. I'm good at singing. I'm good at dancing. I'm good at reading. We can use the same pattern, but after the preposition at, we're going to use the gerund. Okay? Sometimes also we can use it with a preposition like for. This one, I was punished for lying. I was punished for lying. When you lie, you say something that isn't true. In some stories, if you lie, your nose will grow very long. There's a famous movie called Pinocchio where his nose grows very long because he has been lying. So, yeah, if you lie, you might be punished for lying. Again, same pattern, that preposition. And I think probably most importantly, you have to be very careful whenever you see some words like love, like, don't like, hate. That style of word, we also can use this gerund form after the verb. We can say like this. We can say, I hate cooking. I love cooking. I like cooking. All of those are okay. Okay? All of these words are okay with our gerund. You can say, what do you enjoy? I enjoy swimming. What do you like? I like listening to music. I like listening to music. See? After these words, we can use this ing. Okay. There are also a couple more. Not only love, like, hate, we can also use words like keep, start, and stop with our gerund form. Keep going. Don't stop running. Stop studying. Stop watching this video. No, I want you to keep watching this video. Don't stop watching this video, at least for another minute or two. So I think, guys, that's about it. That's about it. Between the keep, start, stop, right? This one, our love and our hate. All of those are our different ways to use those gerunds in English. So, final memory. See if you remember, right? Subject, swimming is fun. Preposition, I'm good at swimming. And certain verbs. I love swimming. I hate swimming. I keep swimming. I started swimming. Gerund form. Now, I want to make sure you guys know what you're talking about. I want to make sure you understand this grammar. So please write in the comments, can you write a sentence using a gerund? Write a sentence using a verb plus ing as the subject, after a preposition, or after our special verbs. If you can do it, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. But that's all. That's all there is for our gerunds in lesson 29. I'll see you in the next video. So I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye.